as promised, I'm shooting a video of my newly acquired EB220 Edge Bander that I have acquired off of Alibaba.com. I'm obviously in the States, in South Florida, and the pricing that I saw and a fully automated machine was so good and it looked so nice. In the video I went for it, and the company, as you can see, is this one here, because I try to say it, Qingdao Hyson Import Export Company Limited. Kathy Ling was the rep that helped me out, and she's great. She's been helping me quite a bit. So here's the beastly machine. As you can see real quick, it's computerized. You just turn on everything you need, the oil, the conveyor belt, all that. The door comes down, has a light already built into it. The only thing I had to quickly do is put the extension cord on it, and this was here already, this part of it, and I just wired up the 3 wires and hooked it up to a 220 breaker. They had they'll ask you what service you have, and then they'll tune the machine. So you just put a cord on it, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Everything on this machine was tuned perfectly. I just set the thickness of my board right here, and it was ready to go right out of the box. First time it did it perfect. So I've been using it for the last half hour or so, cutting up these boards. I'm putting a PVC edge tape on some stuff I CNC'd on that little guy there. So I'm gonna fire this up and get right to it just to show you. So once it gets up to 180, it'll allow you to turn on some of these items. So here's the belt, pretty quiet. It's gonna get loud in a minute, so you're not gonna hear me really talk. I'm just gonna do my thing. The gluing's heating up, it's already there. I put my pellets in. This guy, Jowatt, you gotta look for something that has a temperature of about 180 degrees. Now that's gonna get a little louder. I got about 95 PSI, or you can see that bar I have here for my air pressure. And then put these on. I won't put on the buffing wheels because they get yucky pretty quick. I'm putting my good side down. I found there's a little clean job on the bottom. And then here you have it. It actually did a really nice job. A little cleanup, of course, like anything, but it does a nicer job with the wood edge banding. But the PVC, which is a little trickier in my experience, I've had a Holter before and digital as well. I actually like this machine a whole lot better. It's a great machine. Thank you guys. And that's it for today's lesson.